the dais, breaching the protocol. First, I do my pranam to my Guru, Honorable Justice C.K. Thakurji. Shri Manan Mishra ji, Chairman, Bar Council of India. Professor Dr. Lakshmi ji. Shri Ritesh Hada ji was here, must be here. The entire team of the Chairman Shri Manan Mishra ji were seated on the front row. Especially the ever-smiling Mr. Patel, Chairman of the State Bar Council. Senior advocates who have come from Gujarat. In the second row, I am told, are the judges of the Moot court competition. Young students, faculty members, ladies and gentlemen, I have prepared a written script. मिश्रा जी को देख के मुझे लगा कि मुझे उसको छोड़ देना चाहिए और अपने दिल की बात करनी चाहिए। मिश्रा जी एक ऐसी जीती जागती मिसाल है हमारी लीगल फ्रेटर्निटी की। हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहते हैं और हमेशा सोचते रहते हैं कि ये जो हमारे बच्चे हैं ये आगे चल के क्या करेंगे, और इनकी केवल एक ही सोच रहती है। ये बिहार से आते हैं, खुद खेती करते हैं। बिहार में, मैम इफ यू विल अलाउ, आई कैन स्पीक इन हिंदी, आई कैन स्पीक इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ। बिहार का जो एक किसान है वो ये नहीं सोचता है कि मैंने फसल क्या काटी और कितनी काटी। वो हमेशा ये सोचता है कि मैंने बीज कौन सा बोया है और वो बीज आगे चल के उसमें मुझे कौन सा फर्टिलाइजर, ऑर्गेनिक, केमिकल, क्या क्या डालना है, कब पानी देना है, कब सींचना है, कि आगे चल के वो ऐसा आहार बने, पौष्टिक आहार बने कि हर जीव जंतु और मनुष्य की मानसिकता बदले। और मानसिकता क्या होनी चाहिए? केवल एक, कि ये जो भारतवर्ष है, इंडिया, ये वर्ल्ड का सुपर पावर बने। तो उस धरती से मिश्रा जी आते हैं, उस मानसिकता को लेके बच्चों आज आपके बीच में मैं आया। एक मैम, I don't think time is a constraint. Children, you will pardon me. I will speak in English and Hindi, though I know that the language of the competition is only English. But you will pardon me. मेरे लिए एक आज बहुत बहुत इमोशनल दिन है, for two reasons. और आज का मूट कंपटीशन एक कनेक्ट है ऑफ सर्टन सुपरनैचुरल इवेंट्स ऑफ माय लाइफ. First time when I came to Gujarat, so I went to see the ashram of Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Sabramati, if I correctly pronounce the word, Sabramati. तो वहाँ मैंने उनकी किताब तब तक पढ़ी नहीं थी, माई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऑफ ट्रुथ किताब मैंने ली. एंड व्हेन आई रेड द बुक, I started experimenting certain things, penance for example, in my life. I was a student at that time. And I realized that it was so easy to do what he had said. And then I started experimenting what he had said in his book about his experiences in the profession. For example, he said that I always wanted people to compromise and come to a settlement which would make everyone a happy soul. And he said that I lost nothing in that, not even my money, much less my soul. Today's Moot quote, and this is the rare example that I'm saying which has happened in my life, that few days ago I had gone to IIT Kharagpur to deliver a lecture. तो वहाँ IIT Kharagpur में I met the author of today's Moot, Professor Uday. This is one connect. The second connect is the Moot quote pertains to an area of Northeast, and I've been Chief Justice of Tripura. And the third is that the Moot quote is being held in Gandhinagar, of which I've been influenced in my personal life. Another great feeling of emotion which I have is this, that in this Moot quote, children, listen carefully, is my Guru who is present today. My pranam to Mr. Justice Thakkar. Today's Moot quote is about access through internet. I will only say, Anuradha, the scene is the judgment of the Supreme Court. Rest is for you to chisel your minds, your brains, your skills, and surely the judges sitting in the second row would judge you. Losing, according to me, in Moot is the winning. Participating in the Moot court is absolutely necessary, essential. Just as I was entering the building of this great university, Karnavati, I read caption by Elon Musk, be bold and do it, seize the moment. So children, today all the participants here have to seize the moment and do your best. Coming back to my Guru, I was a very young counsel, and I appeared before him. He was my Chief Justice. Endless patience. I would pardon me for saying so, sir, endurance also. So I only used to wonder that everything has been done. Points have been argued. It has been understood by everyone. The Honorable Judge has understood it. That why is it that he is patiently waiting for the last breath of the lungs of the lawyer to finish? And today when I am on this side, I realize how important it is, how important, how relevant, how significant it is, for it is absolutely necessary, because what we do is not that we judge alone, we build public confidence in this great institution which is the justice delivery system of India, the Indian judiciary. Children, all of you, make it a point that after today's function is over, go and meet him and take a selfie with him. And the reason I'll tell you is this. I'm not sure how many of you have read his book on administrative law. आपके जीवन में आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं, आपके जीवन की अच्छी शुरुआत आज होने वाली है, आप इनका आशीर्वाद पाइएगा. And the reason is this, not that he has been my guru, not that he has been a judge of the Supreme Court of India. Let me share this with you. आपने लॉर्ड डिलिंग और सर रेड का नाम तो सुना होगा. The foreword of his book, sir, correct me if I'm wrong, Administrative Law, has been written by Lord Denning. And Lord Denning said this, that we only thought that in administrative law we were the leaders. But fresh air, not in his words, but fresh air has come, fresh light has come from this great nation, India, through Justice Thakkar. Those who live who stay in Gujarat, make it a point of visiting him, meeting him, and enjoying certain moments with him. I would also say this, that Mishraji and his team have been organizing great events like the one we have today across India. Today is the 37th Moot Court competition. Mishraji still has the heart, not only the heart, but the mind and the physique of a young law student. ये ऐसे प्रोग्राम इसलिए नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि अंडर आर्टिकल 39A there is an obligation of the state to have the justice delivery system which promotes justice. ये इसलिए भी नहीं करते हैं कि बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया में मैंडेट है स्टैट्यूट में टू प्रमोट द एजुकेशन. इसलिए करते हैं, एज आई सेड अर्लियर, because he has in his heart, when I say he, the entire team in the front row, that in times to come, the world looks towards India for knowledge, excellence, and pursuit of excellence, and the standards which are laid in upholding the rule of law, in ensuring that the guiding principles of the Constitution as set out in the preamble are fulfilled and achieved. Thank you very much, Mr. Mishraji, for doing so. Children, don't be scared to walk up to your dean. Let me share this with you and ma'am. Your chairman said that you have very many opportunities. Becoming a lawyer is not the only opportunity today with you. The moment you graduate, you have several options before you. You can be a partner in law firm who are sitting here in the second row. You can be a teacher like Madam Padmavati, who has excelled in her paper on, correct me if I'm wrong, inter-religion marriage and the law. You can be a journalist and a teacher, as ma'am is there. You can be an influencer. You can be a blogger. You can be a policy maker. And everything under the sun today is open and available for you. I'm told that this university, a multidisciplinary university, Mr. Hada, about 7,000 students in various disciplines. It's a great work which you're doing. And the United World School of Law is doing a great job. My request to Mr. Hada is this, which I have seen quite often in the new universities which are coming, private universities which are coming. We come from an era when there were only law colleges, government law colleges. There were no private universities. We come from an era when we had no moot court competitions. The first time we had to face a lawyer was when we had to enroll ourselves with the chairman, before the chairman of the Bar Council. You are fortunate, you are lucky that you are at least getting a picture, a profile of what is there in life for you. The request which I wish to make to Mr. Hada is this, that the sense of nationalism and patriotism and not commercialism must be instilled in every one of us, more so the students who are sitting. For you are not here to make money. Money you can make doing whatever vocation or profession you pursue. But you have chosen, your parents have worked hard, spent money to send you here for a purpose. And that is the serve, that is the purpose, is to serve, purpose of serving the nation, what Mahatma Gandhi said. That for me, service of the nation is religion. So you have to, regardless whatever personal religion you profess, for us, be it a student, be it a law practitioner, or be it a judge, Constitution of India is the only holy book, and professing constitutionalism is the only passion, ideal, and ambition. Children, I would only say this. I have a whole lot of law interns, ma'am rightly pointed out, a whole lot of law interns, because I go and deliver lectures across the country, and especially amongst the children. So a lot of children come and join me as law interns. And I only tell them one thing, which I'm going to tell you. Every action of ours, we must link it to the Constitution. Either the preamble, or part 3, or part 4, or part 4A of the Constitution. I need not deliberate it. But always think, whatever you do, does it promote constitutionalism? Does it lead to public good? Does it instill confidence in the minds of people? And that I am doing, is it the truth and the truth and nothing but the truth? There can be different perceptions of truth, yes. But what your conscience says, what your mind says, is what children is going to guide you in future. Of course, you will face very many challenges, struggles, when you come across the harsh realities of this world. You will be disappointed, you will be dejected, but then never ever give up. As Elon Musk said, be bold, take the step ahead. And surely success is there lying for you. I would also say this, that you are very, very fortunate that today you are in an era where India is growing economically by leaps and bounds. 6.1% is the annual GDP. And hopefully you will go with the nation, flourish with the nation, your families will also grow. And you will bring laurels to your parents and to your brethren. I will also say this, without speaking on the today's topic for Moot, but only this, that COVID has brought internet to the mainstream of our function. And through COVID, through internet and digitalization, as we have seen, that we have brought transparency in our systems. And all this is an endeavor of the court to generate goodwill amongst the people, bring transparency. People must know what all is happening in this institution, that is the justice delivery system of India. I would also say this, children, that while you are using the internet, a word of caution. Today, this WhatsApp, without even thinking, we respond, we reply. And I only wonder whether we are becoming a commodity. My request to you is, take care of your mental health, because this is one big challenge of use of internet. Of course, I'm reminded of a blogger, Rajesh Raswani, who has used the internet to his great advantage. I'm sure children would have seen it. He sends his video. He's a truck driver, and he sends his video from all over India. So using the tool is important. How to use the tool is something which you have to be cautious of and judge for yourself. And also I would say this, that while you must have submitted your testimonials, I'm told that I've read through the paper which has been presented, that you will get prizes for writing testimonials also. I have only one thing to say, that writing is a skill, but thinking is an art. And it is this thinking which you shall be doing today and tomorrow while you will be arguing on your feet. I would also say this, that Gandhiji said truth is sovereign. Truth, not only in action, but also in thought. And this is exactly what my Guru, Honorable Justice Thakurji, taught me. I would also say this, that beautiful line about the university was, at the end of what was being exhibited, displayed about this Karnavati University, is this, together is a beautiful place to be. I take pride, pleasure and privilege to be with you, together with you in this beautiful place. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.